All right, y'all, we're gonna get right into it. We have an awesome video where I'm gonna teach you what the ORB strategy is, how to use it, and show you in real time a trade that we took. We actually took 2 trades using this strategy. Make sure you have a pen and paper because you already know note takers are money makers. And before I forget, y'all, because I always forget, go ahead and hit the subscribe button or the like button on this video. Help this video get to 1,000 likes. I literally always forget, but appreciate y'all. We're here on Tesla, and you have to mark some critical levels on your chart on a daily basis, right? So I mark pre-market high and pre-market low, previous day high and previous day low, okay? We also have some indicators that we like to use. One of them being the ORB, right? Which stands for opening range breakout, okay? And the beauty of the ORB is that this line or these 2 lines form within the first 15 minutes of the market being opening, right? The market opens at 9:30 Eastern. So by 9:45, we have the ORB line. Now you're probably like, Tanisha, I don't know how and what this is. Don't worry, I have an indicator where I'll show you exactly where to find it. So here we're on tradingview.com, and I want you to go to the indicator section, right? And all you have to do is type ORB, okay? And you're gonna see one that comes up by ZZZ Crypto 123. Once you click it, star it so it can stay on your chart. Once you have this indicator on your chart, my friends, what this indicator will do is when the market opens at 9:30, these candles are moving around, and the ORB, right, the indicator will actually create the high, or this line mark the high of the first 15 minutes for you and the low of the first 15 minutes. So you don't have to worry about plotting that ORB level or the ORB range. The indicator will do it for you. Cool. Now, with the ORB range, I get this question often. Is this only for the first 15 minutes? Do you only use these levels, this green line, which is the high and the low, for the first 15 minutes? No, you're able to use this level, and you should use this level throughout the entire trading day. It is a very, very strong level. Now, I want to show you how we were able to take this trade and why the trade went in our favor. So we see that we're on Tesla here on the 5-minute chart. See, Tesla was playing around a bit inside the ORB, right? So we finally got a break of the ORB at this candle. Fine. But that wasn't our entry. Remember, when you are about to take a trade, my friends, you need to have a reason why you're getting in and also have your stop loss, okay? So we get a break of the ORB, and then what we get after that is what we call a retest. And a retest is now showing that, hey, the ORB once used to be a level of resistance. You know, resistance is the ceiling above you. Wherever you are, if you threw the ball up, it would bounce down. So that is called resistance. And when we're trading in the market, y'all, levels are created, and those levels are that keeps price from rising is called resistance, okay? So in this case, y'all, the ORB high acted as a level of resistance, a ceiling for price, until it was able to break out. Now, once we have a breakout, that is not an indication to get in, okay? Especially in the way that I trade, right? What we like to see, we like confluence. We like more than one reason to actually take this trade. Now, once we got that breakout, what we have now is what we call a retest. When we want to continue in the direction of the move, in this case, up, right? Call. What we want to make sure is that that level that used to be the ceiling flips and now becomes support. Wherever you are right now, there should be a floor. And if you jumped, this floor would hold you. So say, for example, this is the floor. If you jump, this should hold you. Now, this will be called support, okay? So once it used to be resistance, ceiling, once it got broke through that, retested it, and now it has confirmed that this is indeed a level of support. Now we're interested in possibly taking a play to the upside, which we did, okay? So all we did here, y'all, we entered on this candle here, and remember, you need to have a stop loss. Step loss is simply on the opposite side of the ORB. Okay, and how wonderful was this trade here? We made a new high of the day, and then we were able to get to our profit target number 1. Now, I don't know if this is new to you in regards to how I trade or how I teach you. We like to make sure that we get paid for the work we've done thus far and lower our risk in the trade. So once you have gotten to this area here where, you know, we call these profit targets, you would lower your risk in the trade. So I suggest best practices for me is to take off at least half or the majority of your contracts. So for example, if you bought 10 contracts on your initial entry, you would take off 5, you would take off 6, you maybe even take off 7. right? Because what you want to do is lower your risk, but you don't want to fully exit the trade. So once we saw that, we know that this is a strong level and this pullback happens here, and that's no problem because we know where our stop loss is and it did not trigger our stop loss. We were still able to take the rest of our contracts to TP2, all right? Played around a little bit for the rest of the day, but hey, this was a beautiful, beautiful setup, and all we had to do was wait for the ORB to form, for us to get a break of the ORB, a retest of the ORB, and a continuation. And look at that, simple as that. All right, so this is another trade on the same day that we were able to take with SPY, once again on the 5-minute. Once again, we are using the ORB strategy and the ORB indicator to execute an entry, okay? So we have price reacting here, bouncing around, finding resistance. Remember, ceiling, finding resistance at the ORB high. We finally get a break of the ORB here on this candle. And remember, that is not a reason to get into the trade, right? We need confluence. Confluence means more than one reason to get into the trade. So what we're looking for is that retest. It used to be a level of resistance. It now has turned into a level of support. Remember, resistance is ceiling, support is the floor. So once we're able to break through that ceiling, right, we want to see a retest of that floor and then a continuation in the direction of the previous trend. And we take advantage of that. And that is exactly what happened here, right? We have an entry at the top of this candle and we have our stop loss is simply on the opposite side of the ORB. What a beautiful setup. Profit target 1 here. This is our first profit target. Remember what I talked about previously. We take off half or majority of the contracts. Same example, if you purchase 10 contracts, you would sell 5 and you would still have 5 to keep going. And then you were able to go to the next profit target. Once again, y'all, we took this trade live with our friends in the academy. And the beauty of it is, y'all, is that, hey, we teach you exactly what we're doing. We're teaching you how to fish. And that is the difference with the academy. We're making sure that you have the information, that you actually understand what is going on. Okay?
Oh, you the one. If you jumped out, we would have been good. It's a CC on the 5-minute, y'all. I'm in on SPY. Call. Sorry.
692.40.
It happened super fast when I looked over it. I'm in on SPY. Stop loss is pre-market low.
Right.
All right, take a little bit off. Let's get it. Next profit target, 693.
All right, y'all. So I hope you learned something new, how to use the ORB strategy, how to find it on your TradingView chart and see that you can actually wait for only 15 minutes from 9:30, 9:45 for the ORB to set up, then look for your entry. Simply look for the break of that, either the high ORB or the low ORB. Look for a retest and a continuation for your entry into a possible trade, either to the upside or the downside. Yo, if you ever want to actually see my husband and I screen and hear us trade live together, we trade live together Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, doing this exact same thing. You don't have to do this by yourself. Go ahead and comment the word trade down below or simply click the first link in my description box. And as a special thank you for hanging out with me and learning, because that's what you did here. You just learned something new. Go ahead and use the promo code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first month's membership as a special thank you from myself to you. And if you want to, learn a little bit more and you're saying, hey, Tanisha, this is a little bit too advanced for me, don't worry about it. Inside of the academy, you can also use the YouTube30 promo code, but we have a special beginners mini mentorship that is specific for beginners, like complete novice to all things trading. So we have something for everyone. And individuals that, hey, you work in the daytime, you are only available in the evening, futures is available also as a part of the group. So basically what I'm saying, no matter what stage you're in your trading journey, we got something to help you on your way. And we're so grateful for you hanging out with us and look forward to seeing you inside the academy. All right. So without further ado, I hope you had a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. All right. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.